So one other thing to mention, at your risk, but the reason these are so stiff is because of the pressure from this being screwed on and the hole not lining up. The hole in the actual like centre section isn't drilled straight, it's sort of done before this top section's fitted. So what you can do is unscrew that a little touch. Instructions say not to do it, there's a risk of this wire getting caught up. Your risk. But that lets that pressure come off. You can actually just slide everything up and you can see that's nice and slack now. So I can go to the screw. I can even just unscrew it that way now. Comes off now above it. And then you can just nip that back up.